special presentation. We hope you learn a lot from it. What you are going to be doing is the lions are going to be coming around, and you can actually feed the lions.
And it kind of goes to like all Asia, not like all of it, but like a lot of Asia celebrates it, and not just like certain countries. In the holiday, we eat like rice cake soup and dumplings.
Now we're taking 20 volunteers with the red envelopes, but don't worry, we're going to be taking a lot of volunteers later. If you want to be in the lion head or if you want to be on the drum.
This is like a traditional dress for the Korean culture, and we're wearing it because it's like the Lunar New Year.
It's called a humble. Yeah, and we wear it on like New Year's Day, and like we bow down. Also wear it to some of their if you get married, you wear it after this wedding.
So today we continue those traditions by offering red envelopes. We wear red. We light candles and lanterns. We hang them up. And we have fireworks, right, during the New Year's. A celebration of fending off this monster called the enemy.